I've been using AI agents almost daily since they came out in 2023, and I can't imagine how much they have changed how we learn and boosted productivity. They are my sidekicks now because they transformed how I learn and use English. Hey everyone, this is Sean English here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I would like to share with you 3 things that I do with the AI to facilitate my English learning and using. I mainly use ChatGPT and Google Gemini, but it is totally up to you which platforms you choose. Also, the prompts I mentioned in this video are summarized in the description section below. You can check that out. Okay, most of the time, AI is my ghostwriter. Whenever I have an idea, I'll first map out my structure myself, plotting idea trees, bulletins, or scribbles. Then I describe what I think to ChatGPT and ask for evaluation or additional ideas. The significance of learning English after graduation. Video ideas, adding more points if necessary. I'd often turn on search to let AI go to the internet to pull ideas for me. It really gives you a lot of suggestions, but I only take those that are aligned with my ideas. After combining AI's ideas and my own, I start drafting. I transcribe my draft using speech to text while looking at my outline. This method can force me to practice articulation. Literally has nothing to do with test taking stuff. That's because of course, the raw transcript is usually a very big, messy pile of things, very long and wordy. So I would refer to ChatGPT for proofreading. I give it a prompt like this. This is a video text. I will make a video out of it and post on YouTube or some other platforms. I spoke to test this thing, so you can see that it is pretty messy. I would like you to proofread this by correcting my redundancy, mistakes, and awkward phrasing, but remember not to make big changes to my content and style. Also, remember to add titles and do paraphrasing if necessary. Thank you. Boom, there you have it. Then it returns a very cleaned version, which I would edit and polish myself again thereafter. This is how I use it to write things with myself. I think this is a process that works for everyone, whether you are a beginner or advanced user, because this is essentially what John Langan outlines in his very famous college writing textbook, but with the help of AI. By the way, there's a feature that I really like in Google Gemini, the audio overview. I often use it to review my draft. It turns my passage into a podcast-style audio so I can listen to my own writing from a very fresh perspective while also training my listening.
Stuck reading too slowly. We're going to distill about, almost 10 years of testing into 5 core strategies.
Whenever I feel unsure about a sentence I write, I ask ChatGPT, it is good writing? It is logical? Any awkward expressions? After finishing a section, I send it to ChatGPT to check my logic, flow, and structure. I only accept suggestions that inspire me, and I don't want it to rewrite my whole essay otherwise. For a lot of time, AI can completely change the tone of voice or the style of your writing. Next up, I use AI to help me learn something new. I use AI to perform topic-based practices. So I feed IELTS speaking topics and sample answers to ChatGPT, and I will ask for one anytime I want. I give it a prompt like this. This is a document that includes IELTS speaking topics as well as sample answers. I would like you to go through this document, then you will give me a topic that I will answer myself before providing feedback. Your feedback may include grammar issues, word choices, word structure, something like that. And it will take it from there, waiting for me to ask for a topic. I like using the voice mode in ChatGPT. It automatically transcribes my spoken language and reads out the answers for me. Okay, please give me a part 3 topic from that document.
3 topic from the document. What are the benefits of children doing sports?
If we put children to sports, I think it's very good and necessary for them to build body strength at a very early stage. Build the ties between them. That's what I can think of.
So you covered some solid points about physical health and social benefits. Here are a few.
But it often interrupts you if you speak slowly. In this way, you can actually tap on this microphone icon to transcribe your answer. It does not interrupt you in this way. Or you can just text it. But topic-based speaking can be very boring, very tedious in a way. So I created another conversation called Weirdo Talks. For years, I have been trying to jot down my weird thoughts daily so I can talk about these questions with the AI from time to time. And I try to leverage my creativity to do something interesting and creative with ChatGPT. Like, imagine you are my lover, or imagine we are walking in a hell, like, imagine we're on a time machine. A lot of things you can talk about, like, ain't it fun? And here's a very important thing to do here. When I finish a very long conversation with AI, I often ask it to summarize and extract the words I need to know. This becomes my personalized vocabulary list, much better than these word books, because everything I learned is interconnected and everything I learned has been, connected to my brain. The third big role AI plays is my document secretary. For example, I use AI to extract some terminology from a very big book. When reading a book, an article, or a magazine passage, I upload this document to ask AI to extract like C1 to C2 vocabulary for learning, for preview. For example, I find this chapter of this book is like quite complex, so I let AI work out difficult things or words or interpret difficult concepts in it. I also ask AI to summarize long conversations for me. So if I have a very long talk with someone, I export the auto-generated subtitles and ask AI to analyze the key points, phrases, what highlights in this moment. That saves me enormous amount of time. So yeah, this is basically everything I do with AI when it comes to English learning and using. If you like what I'm sharing in this video, please let me know. And I'm Sean English here. Remember, happy learning, and I will see you in next video. Bye bye.